How to change screen timeout on iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to change the screen timeout on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the settings application on your mobile phone. After that, open the settings just like this. Then scroll down and here you can find display and brightness just right here. Then select it. Then again scroll down and here you can find auto lock just right here. Now to change it, simply tap on it. So this is the screen timeout option of the iPhone 11, and from here you can simply choose the time of your auto lock. Now tap 1 minute or 5 minutes, or you can also choose never as your screen timeout. And that's it. This is how you can change screen timeout on iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.